Hello, my name is Ji Chao and I'm from China, and currently I'm taking Master of Materials Engineering in the University of Wollongong. I graduated from the Pennsylvania State University, which is in the United States, for my bachelor degree. I chose the same major for bachelor and master to keep the consistency, trying to be an expert in the field of materials. I have done a lot of volunteer or part-time jobs. Some are related to my major and some are just my interest, like working in the hospital or teaching kids English. I will be leaving the school by the end of next year, so I really hope to get a position at your company to start my career. Uh, I think many of the project team I have stayed can be considered as diverse. For example, there was this project management course, which we have to evaluate, finish the project as a team. And we had students from different countries like China, India, Thailand. And on top of that, we all came from different fields of engineering. The biggest challenge for me was that we don't have the same background knowledge. Like if I'm talking about material stuff, they only have a limited understanding on that. And if it came to mechanical parts, then I would be confused a little bit, obviously. So we didn't make good progress in the beginning. Then we just paused the project and gathered all the information together for everyone to go through it individually and take notes. Then we exchanged what we learned and tell each other what is missed in their notes. So by this way, it was like we all both teachers and students at the same time. And then all team members have had better understanding on the project, and it was really easy taking from there. There was a project I did in my senior year, which the team took a real industrial problem from a real company, and it was a competition as well. The project was for us to create a new rainwater filter sock in order to keep minimum impurity. As I'm a material major, my job was to figure out what should be used to create the sock. So I did a lot of research on what rainwater possibly contains, and for each of the impurity, what is the best material to neutralize it. Finally, I proposed a design which the sock contains two stages. The first stage was using hydrophobic material to get rid of the oil in the rainwater, because the water possibly contains oil if it hits the ground. And the second stage was using metal purifying material and benchmark material to neutralize possible harmful metal in the water. Our design ended up with a third prize among a total of 88 teams, and the company accepted our analysis and design at the end. Yes, I do have a few questions. In order to be qualified to the position, what skills do you think I still need to improve? And secondly, if I successfully get the position, what exactly are my daily tasks, and what's the working environment, and what's the core objective right now?